Development of the kingdom system of classification. The living world around us is incredibly diverse, from tiny microorganisms to giant trees and animals. To understand this vast variety of life, scientists use a system called biological classification. Classification helps us group organisms based on their similarities and differences. It not only helps us identify and study organisms easily, but also reveals evolutionary relationships, showing how different groups of life are connected through time. But this system didn't appear all at once. It evolved gradually as scientists learned more about living organisms. Let's look at the historical development of classification systems. 1. Two-kingdom system. The earliest system, given by Carl Linnaeus, divided all organisms into just two kingdoms, Plantae, plants, and Animalia, animals. However, this system was too simple because many organisms didn't fit neatly into either group, for example, fungi and bacteria. 2. Three-kingdom system. Later, Ernst Haeckel introduced a third kingdom called Protista for unicellular organisms like algae and protozoa. 3. Four-kingdom system. As knowledge grew, scientists realized that fungi were different from plants, so a separate kingdom fungi was added. 4. Five-kingdom system. In 1969, R. H. Whitaker proposed a more scientific model, the five-kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. He based this on cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, and reproduction. This system was widely accepted and used for decades. 5. Six-kingdom system. With the discovery of genetic differences, Carl Woese further refined classification into six kingdoms by splitting Monera into two separate groups: eubacteria, true bacteria, and archaebacteria, primitive bacteria. This modern system reflects the evolutionary and genetic relationships among all life forms more accurately. Biological classification, therefore, is not just about naming organisms. It's about understanding life's unity and diversity and how all organisms have evolved from common ancestors over billions of years. Let's summarize today's topic. 1. Biological classification groups organisms based on similarities and differences. 2. It helps us understand evolutionary relationships among living beings. 3. Classification systems evolved from two kingdoms to six kingdoms over time. 4. Whitaker's five-kingdom system and Woese's six-kingdom system are the most scientific models. 5. Modern classification uses morphological, physiological, reproductive, and genetic features to understand the diversity of life on Earth.